YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. If you enjoy my content, please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing. In this episode, we're going to be going over the latest kit addition to my collection, the 1979 Indianapolis 500 pace car. I'll be building cars from my past in the next couple of builds, and this Mustang pace car is one of the cars I used to own. As a matter of fact, I own two versions of the Indy 500 pace car, a turbocharged 4-cylinder version and a V8 version. So let's look at the kit. The box art is wonderful, you know, really great detail. A look at the TRX wheels and the fog lamps, the Marshall fog lamps. You know, here's a good look at the lettering across the hood and the top of the fenders. Yeah, here's a good side profile showing those TRX metric wheels. Yeah, that caused a lot of issues for people finding tires. Only Michelin's fit. Yeah, they weren't quite 15s and they weren't quite 16s. They were a metric version. But yeah, I'm excited to have this kit. I looked for one for quite a while, and this was an open kit. And I didn't have to feel bad about unboxing or opening a vintage kit. You know, so I'm excited to get going on this build, and I'll do an unboxing video when I start the build. Yeah, but this will be the first of the Fox body cars that I've owned. I've had a brand new 1986 Mustang SVO, which will be next up on the block after the pace car version's complete. So I hope you've enjoyed this little short video, you know, and a look at the box art of my latest edition. You know, we'll see you later on during the week. Again, if you like the content, please subscribe, like, and share. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Have a safe and blessed day. Thanks. We'll see you.